my cross slide to advance my tool, I can now look at the point of my tool versus the height of my center and raise or lower accordingly. Reset my screw and lock it down. And now I can place it there and I'm on center line. This is one of those things that makes this machine or any of these lathes work accurately. If my tool bit is above center or below center, no matter what I do on here, it's never going to be accurate because I'm feeding in tangentially and not on center line. This dial is designed to go so much in for every division I get here. Next idiosyncrasy. Every one of these machines is different, and I'm not going to tell you what they are. They are either a diameter machine or a radius machine. And that's what you're going to discover tonight on the machines that you choose. Which basically means that for every line that I move forward, and you will see that this one starts here and goes at 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 5 ticks beyond. Okay? That means that for every time you go around here, I'm getting 1/8 of an inch. Now, am I going to take off 1/8 of an inch from the diameter of the machine, or am I going to take 1/8 inch off from the radius?
It makes a big difference.
It makes
a fourth or an eighth.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to tell you, you're going to all find out what this one is, but everyone else is going to have to discover whether it's a radius machine or a diameter machine. All right, so we've set our tool equal to the thing. To take a cut, we're going to turn the machine on. We're going to make sure that everything is synced. I'm now going to bring my tool over to my part, and I'm going to bring it up until I just hear it starting to tick, 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 tick. Okay. At this point, my tool is just starting to touch. I don't have a cleaned up diameter, so I can't measure anything. I have my thing here is sitting at a little past 10, or call it 12. All right, now I've got a course dial down here for my movement for my carriage, but in our case, we want to know how far am I going to move my carriage a little more accurately than what this is going to tell me. So this is where we're going to start playing with our indicator.
I don't know what I've done with it.
Yeah, you want to grab one of the magnetic ones?
I don't know if I've got that on the right side of the
Okay. Alright. Where you mount one of these indicators is going to be according to the machine. If I try and put this indicator in here, it does not fit. In other words, I cannot retract the indicator enough in order for it to fit in there. This is what I talked about, going forwards and backwards with an indicator. So if I can't mount it out here, maybe I can mount it up here. I can't, so I can move my indicator in here and get in position where it will register against my carriage. So now what I want to do is I have a known here. It's going to be at 12, all right? But I don't have a known. What's the purpose of doing this on the carriage? The idea of the carriage is we want to understand how far I am moving my carriage.
Right.
We have, in essence, two dimensions that we're going to be working with, a diameter and a length, okay? Our length is going to be from the face of our part or from a diameter face that we create. In the case of our part that we're going to start with, it's going to be a rough bandsawed off part. you do not have a known anything with the thing. Your diameter isn't round and your length isn't square.
This is